Hello guys, last week I showed you Blue Yeti Nano microphone and some of the presets available in Blue Sherpa software. But after analyzing various things about that microphone, I decided to return Blue Yeti Nano and I got Blue Yeti X microphone. And this is the top of the line product from Blue Yeti. Blue Yeti X is a professional quality microphone, and the main thing I disliked about Blue Yeti Nano was that the microphone was controlled using a software and the software was buggy. I was unable to maximize the screen and the typing was very small and it worked after a long time, hit and trial, and you have to tweak some settings in Windows. So I wanted a microphone that I could control using its knobs, and this is what this Blue Yeti X offers you. You can completely control this microphone from its multifunction smart knob at the front that I'm going to show you in a minute, and the pickup pattern switch at the back. And in this video I'm going to give you a complete tutorial of Blue Yeti X, how to use Blue Yeti X, and you can also control this microphone using the software Blue Sherpa or Logitech G Hub. And why you would like to use the software? There are few reasons. One is that in the software Logitech G Hub or Blue Sherpa, there are some presets available. There are some settings of this microphone, and using those presets or settings, you can get a certain kind of feeling in your voice. For example, if you use AM setting or a radio setting, your sound will look like coming from a radio and this type of thing. Also, there are some audio effects that are available. For example, if I want to change my voice to a robotic voice, I can use a robot effect and my voice will look like a robotic voice or a sinister voice. So you can give it a horror effect or a robotic effect. So these are some effects available that we are going to see in this video. And I'm trying to cover everything about this microphone. So first I will show you a quick unboxing that I did before recording this part of the video, and then we will see how to use Blue Yeti X. So without further ado, let's get started after a short break. And the price was 298 Australian dollars, but another retailer was selling it at 248. So Harvey Norman matched the price for me, which is very good. And I normally don't make unboxing and review videos of physical products. I make reviews of digital products on my channel. But because this product is directly related to the content I am going to create in future, so some of you who are making online courses, they might be interested in how the sound quality of this microphone is. Blue Yeti has 3 products, and this is the top of the line product. The second is Blue Yeti classical version, and the third is Blue Yeti Nano. So now I will unbox this and I will plug it into my laptop and I will make a quick review of this product. So this is nicely packed. So there are some instructions. The correct way to use this in a vertical position, not in this position. And it is very solid and heavy, and the body looks like steel body, very solid, very rigid, and this is the main reason many people like this microphone, because it has a beautiful classical look. And the only other thing we have in the box is this USB cable, because if you look at the bottom, this microphone can be directly connected to a boom. It has threads here which you can directly connect to, for example, Blue Yeti caster or any other boom arm. And because the Blue Yeti Nano base was very small, so we had another aluminum piece which we need to connect there, but this can directly be connected to any boom. And that is it. Now I will connect this to my laptop and I will show you some of its features and how it sounds. And now I have connected Blue Yeti X with my laptop, and I am going to explain some of the features and how to use Blue Yeti X manually and how to use Blue Yeti X using Blue Sherpa software and Logitech G Hub software. So this is the front side of the microphone, and you always keep it vertical. Do not tilt the microphone and try to speak very close to this area, because I am explaining this, so I am not recording my audio using this laptop, and later when I will use the software, I will use this microphone. On the front side, this is called multifunction smart knob. It has 3 different modes. Currently these blinking LEDs are just showing that the microphone is not muted. It is working, it is operational. If I press this knob, all the blinking LEDs will turn off and only this microphone icon will stay there. It means the microphone is muted, and now I can press again to unmute the microphone. Currently it is in microphone mode, and if I start turning this knob towards right, 2 things will happen. First, all these lights will become blue to show me that now I am changing the gain. And the second thing is, if I turn this right, the gain will increase. Gain means the sensitivity of the microphone. And if I turn it left, the gain will decrease. And now as I start turning this knob, all the LEDs are now blue and the gain is changing, as you can see. And when I remove my hand, now the microphone is again in the operational state. So in microphone mode, when this blue light is there, you can change the gain of the microphone. To go to the next mode, you press this knob for 1 second, and now I can see a headphone symbol here, and the microphone is in the headphone mode. And now if I turn the knob towards right, the volume of the headphone will increase. You connect the headphone here. This is the location for your headphone jack. Now if I press this knob for 1 second, now I will see the third mode. Both microphone and headphone symbols are there, but in magenta color. And this is called blend mode, and this controls how much proportion of your computer sound and how much proportion of your microphone sound shall go to your headphone. So if you are, for example, streaming, playing game, so your computer or your game sound is going to your headphone, and because you are speaking, so your microphone sound is also going to your headphone. So this controls the proportion. Currently there is white light in the middle. It means 50% this and 50% this sound are going towards the headphone. If I turn this right, and on the right hand side I have headphone, and now it means that more proportion of your computer sound is going to your headphone than the microphone sound. So this is called blend mode. And if I press this again for 1 second, I am back to microphone mode, and this is the mode where you normally keep this microphone for recording. Now if I turn this around, on the back of this microphone we have this pickup pattern select button, and it has 4 different patterns. When I press this, it goes to the first one, press again second, third and 4. These are 4 different modes. Starting from the left, you will see this icon, 2 intersecting circles. This is stereo mode. And this mode is ideal for capturing realistic sound. Normally if you are playing musical instruments and singing, then you will use this mode. Or also for ASMR, relaxing music type recordings, you will use this mode. If I press again, the next is the circle, and this is a symbol of omnidirectional mode or pattern. And omnidirectional means that no microphone is taking sounds from all around this area. And if you are in a group discussion, for example, few people are sitting around a table, then you will use this mode. The next one is cardio mode, and this is best for video recording and streaming when you single person is speaking. So normally if you are using this microphone only for yourself, you always keep in this cardio mode. Its symbol is like a heart, because in this mode the microphone only captures sound from the front, from this side, and the sounds from the back will be rejected. So this is good because we want to capture our sound, not the background sounds. If I press it again, now we move on to bidirectional mode, and the symbol is 2 touching circles, or just like the number 8. And this mode is suitable when 2 persons are talking. If for example you are taking interview with some person and you both are sitting in front, then you use this pattern, because now the microphone will be picking sounds from front and from back. Now I think this explains how to use Blue Yeti X manually using these knobs. And now you can also use Blue Yeti X using 2 software. One is Blue Sherpa and the other is Logitech G Hub. And now I'm going to show you how you can use this using the Logitech G Hub on my laptop screen. And the way I got access to Logitech G Hub is that first I downloaded Blue Sherpa software from this website for my Windows because it says Windows 10 or higher and I am using Windows 11. And Logitech G Hub was available only for Windows 10. So I decided to use Blue Sherpa, but later I got access to Logitech G Hub. That I downloaded this, I installed it and run it. And then it gave me a prompt. Do you want to use Logitech G Hub? And I say yes. And then I needed to open an account with Logitech. And once I opened the account, then I got access to Logitech G Hub without installing anything else. And I got this screen. And because my webcam was also attached to my laptop at that time, so I also got another similar icon for my Logitech C920 webcam that I have removed now. But because both products are now Logitech products, so you can control your Logitech C920 if you are using that. But anyway, now if I click on Yeti X, I will see this screen. And the main reason we want to use this software for Blue Yeti X is that we want to use some presets. Otherwise, you can control everything from Blue Yeti microphone itself. Now, this is the gain. And now the good thing is that if I change the gain from within the software, the gain in the microphone will change. And if I change the gain from the microphone, as I'm doing now, the gain in the software is changing. So in this way, you can change the gain using software or using the microphone. But again, this is not the main purpose. The main purpose is to use Blue Voice. And to enable Blue Voice, you click on this. And now you have access to all these presets. On the left hand side, you can see this Blue Voice presets. And for example, if I click on this AM, these settings will change. These settings are set in this preset. And now my voice will sound like coming from AM radio. If I click on Broadcaster 1, these settings again change slightly. And now my voice should be a little different. If I click on FM radio, and now this is FM radio, just testing Blue Yeti X preset. And you can see whether it looks like FM radio or not. And let's test few of these so that you can get some idea. So now I am testing high voice loud preset in Blue Yeti X. Now I am testing high voice soft preset in Blue Yeti X. Now I am testing low voice loud preset in Blue Yeti X. Now I am testing low voice soft preset in Blue Yeti X. And now I am testing warm and vintage preset in Blue Yeti X. This is my favorite. So you can see that there are slight differences. But if you want to tweak this one, for example, you can also do that. And if I want to tweak this like this, and now you will see that this warm and vintage copy 1 will appear here because I changed from warm and vintage, and I can name this to any name. For example, I can say it my own warm and vintage. And now it will appear here. If you want, you can delete this as well. But this is how you can start from a preset and you can tweak the setting of the microphone a little bit to get the perfect voice you want. You can also record by pressing this and then play if you want. But if not, you simply change from here and it will change. You can say online or whatever. It will change. So this was Blue Voice. Now the next is effects. And these are few effects. Make sure you note that currently all the effects are off. So you are listening my normal voice. Let's say I want to turn my voice to a robotic voice. So I click on this robot and now my voice will change when I click on that. And I will say I'm testing robot effect. I'm testing robot effect. So this is what I will say and see if you can recognize.
No, I'm testing robot effect in Blue Yeti X. No, I'm testing robot effect in Blue Yeti X.
And now I turned it off again and now my voice is normal again. Let's check this sinister.
Now I'm checking sinister effect in Blue Yeti X. Now I'm checking sinister effect in Blue Yeti X.
And then I turn this off and I also now disable this blue voice. And now I am back to my original setting. So this is how you can use Blue Yeti X presets available in Logitech G Hub and the professional quality effects to spice up your videos or your streaming. So Blue Yeti X is a fantastic, easy to use professional quality microphone for YouTubers, for online course creators, for streamers. That is it for today. So I hope you liked this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you next time.